I push in the clutch, here's what happens. Right after I get off the throttle. Still the same thing, so. My main thoughts is that it's the variable camshaft timing solenoid. Oh, there's a bump. Oh, that's a tall bump. But yeah, any help would be great. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.